Hello and welcome to another episode of Bolts and Boost, everybody. So today I want to do a short and sweet video. This is not going to be a how-to video or a how-to install video, but I just want to show you guys what I did to install a Christmas present I got from my wife, which is actually pretty cool. It's a 4K Dashcam, front and back. I got that one hanging out back there. It's actually really simple to use, really good resolution. I will put a couple of clips at the end of this video of me talking to show you guys the quality. It's, I'm actually pretty impressed by it, and I will definitely include a link in the description to the product on Amazon. So let's go through it. It was a very easy install. It took me about 30 minutes-ish. This one does have a GPS tracker on it too, so it's pretty nice, and it's integrated right into the mount of the camera. It's very small, very simple to use, and this is a perfect spot for it for me. And I just channeled the cords. It comes with these little, I don't even know what you want to call them. They're sticky cord organizers, I guess. I don't know. But I just, ran it up. I have one of the clips there. I still have one left over, so I didn't use all of them, but I just ran it all the way through the roof liner, and I personally ran it through, the cords just like above here. This does have a side airbag, so just be careful of that. Again, this is not a how-to video, so just showing you guys what I did. So I just ran it across, and I tried to keep it tucked away out of everything. If you push this back, you can kind of see in there, and then you just run it along the door seal here. Now here's the only spot where you can see some wires, and again, I use those sticky cord organizers. Now a lot of you are like, well, there's so many things you could do, and yes, I get that. My truck is pretty much brand new. I didn't want to break the seal on anything. You could take this completely out, stuff it in there, but again, I just did not want to break the seal in my truck, so I just let it run right there, because it's really hard to peel back from here on. So right there, it's not contacting anything when the door is shut, and people won't even realize, especially when these cords aren't so stiff. They're just going to kind of rest in the corner. You could also take this panel off too, but again, I didn't want to unseal my truck, break a clip, what have you. Now under here, I'm gonna have to grab my light. Give me 2 seconds. And I smoked my door. Oh. Thought I was prepared. Sorry, guys. So this panel felt compartment thing is a really nice place to store wires, I found out. So that's where I'm storing all of the wires. So they basically run all the way down here and then into here, so you can't see anything. And then all I did was I ran the wire through, and then here I left it out just in case I wanted some play. There's the 12-volt car accessory, cigarette lighter, whatever you want to call it. So I just wanted to have some play. You could make it nicer, but again, for my needs, I think that's just fine. I might clean it up later just a little bit better. But anyway, that's good. So far, it's the only wire showing is right here. Again, that's totally up to you how you want to route it in your vehicle. But to me, I just didn't want to break the seal. And then if we go over to the back, so there is the rear view camera. I placed it there because I didn't want it in the middle, because I wanted it up high like that so it could capture whatever I wanted to capture. And it tucks the wire really nice into this back pillar here. And all I did was I ran the wire into this panel very easily, all the way down. It was a little tough right here, so I had to get my clips in there and kind of pry this panel up to tuck it. And then all you do is you tuck it really nicely under all of this plastic, and it just glides in there basically. So it's a really super easy job. And then here as well, all the way along the floor line, Can't see it anywhere. And it just goes behind there. You can kind of see the wire right there, back there. So everything's almost factory. I didn't have to take any of the panels off, which is what my goal was. I know you could do this part way nicer. And I'm going to do this with my STI, and my STI I don't care about. Like, I care about it, but I'm not going to care about ripping the clips off in the interior because that thing has 140,000 K on it. It's older, blah, 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 blah. My brand new truck, on the other hand, I'd rather leave it a virgin, so to speak, and, you know, not rip my seals off, not take the panels off, at least at this point. If I wanted to yank this thing out, I could yank it out in 5 minutes type of thing, and that was my goal. So I didn't want to be intrusive on my vehicle, and I wasn't. Everything is super easy to install. The quality on that camera is superb. Very, very happy with the gift from my wife. The price point is on point as well. I think they're around 150 bucks. Like I said, I'll put the product link in the description for all of you guys. And there it is. Put it in the description for you guys, and I will put some videos on the end of this video, which is going to be shortly. I'm going to end it off here pretty quick, and you guys can see the quality of that thing. It says that it does 4K. The audio is really good in it, so nothing but good things to say about it. But if you guys enjoyed this video, you're bored at home, you clicked on it, you enjoy it, you own an F-150 or a Tremor, or you want to look at dash cams, check out other videos on the channel. There's a lot of automotive stuff on the channel. If you like what you see, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and that's all I got to say for now. But most importantly, you guys have a great weekend. And like I said, stay tuned at the end of the video for the clips on that thing.
Yeah, see?
I was sleeping, but he's still not turning.
Really?
Finally turned.
Oh. Well, you just came off the highway. Huh. So forgot something. Or had to go the other way.